Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a case in Salesforce, a step-by-step guide that's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to streamline their customer support process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to log, track, and manage customer issues efficiently. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is open the app launcher in Salesforce. Think of this as your gateway to all the tools Salesforce has to offer. Once you're in the app launcher, search for and select Cases. This section is specifically designed to help you manage customer issues in an organized, trackable way. Now click on Cases and you'll see a new button. Go ahead and click that. That's where the magic begins. Creating a new case essentially opens a structured line of communication to resolve customer problems quickly and efficiently. Next, we'll fill out the key case fields. The first field is status. Here you indicate the current stage of the case, like new, working, escalated, or closed. Accuracy is important because this signals to your team exactly where the case stands. After that, set the priority. Choose between low, medium, or high to indicate urgency. This ensures critical issues get addressed promptly, keeping your workflow smooth and organized. Now add the contact name, which is the person who reported the issue. This helps track communication and maintain a personal touch with your customer. Then, fill out the account name if applicable. Linking the case to the customer's company profile is especially useful in B2B scenarios. Next is the subject field. Think of it as a headline that quickly summarizes the issue. Then, move on to the description, where you provide more details about the problem. The more thorough you are here, the easier it is for your team to understand and resolve the case. You can also add additional details like case origin, type, product, and more. These optional fields help specify the nature of the case, making sorting and assigning tasks faster and more efficient. Finally, once everything is filled out, click Save. That's it. You've officially created a case in Salesforce. From here, it can be tracked, assigned, and resolved in an organized manner. Creating cases the right way is all about organization and attention to detail, which can make a huge difference in providing exceptional customer service. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more Salesforce tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.